so don't worry.
Hi guys, I'm Timothy Bardem.
Hi, my name is Alexandre Baudin.
Be happy now.
You've seen last summer how the rice prices have been volatile. Farmers from developing countries cannot forecast or plan any budget with those high fluctuations on stock exchange.
Yeah, when they have harvested their production, they never know the price where they will have to sell it. And after northern country subsidies, that is one of the main problems of developing agriculture.
Farmers usually are faced with uncertainty about the evolution of prices of their production.
You know how agriculture is important and how agriculture will be important in the future, especially for these developing country farmers.
What they can do is to fix today the price they will sell their production in the future. And one way to doing so is to use futures contracts.
You know about the explosion of microcredit and microloans, but nobody has already exploited the microfinance.
Especially in that case, the stock exchange is no longer the evil. Actually, it could act in favor of farmers from developing countries.
A future contract is something that will enable you to sell your production for a price known today, but in the future.
We imagine the idea of creating a pool of 100 farmers gathered in a semi-public organization so as to buy futures and options on stock exchange to set the price. The only thing they have to do is planning and forecasting their production for the coming year.
And the organization will do the rest, providing them with the starting money they need and supporting them with classes and an education for financial markets.
Producers will face, of course, a variation of the prices of the underlying assets, and this is their major risk, but they will also face a variation in the volume of their productions. One way is to use weather derivatives. And the weather derivatives will enable us to adjust our hedge regarding the climate conditions and the volume of our production.
They will provide governments with good statistics years after years.
And finally, they will help the farmers to better anticipate the quantity and the quality of their harvest. You believe in the success of microcredit. You think these farmers deserve a better future. This is the beginning of a new agriculture.
This is using clear and not speculative financial products for what they have been created for, covering real price movements for real farmers.
So don't worry.